Hello everyone, this is Business Plus here today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching this video from. And for those who are having a problem with adding indicator, which are the indicators on this MT5, so I'm going to show you how to add those indicators, and provided if you want to have one or the other tweak to your indicator, so you can just go ahead and do that, and you will see a link of a video in the description to the indicator, which is RSI, that I'm going to show you here. So guys, if you want to add your RSI, you can just click on the second button from your left side on the screen, which is the indicator button beside the crosshair. The first one is the crosshair, the second one is the indicator button. So here you're going to see the next one, which appears in M5. That's the time frames. All right, so I click on that, then it brought out the time frame. Within few seconds it's going to disappear. So we are now clicking on the second one. So when clicking on the second one, we can see that we have main chart on this next window. We have main chart, so you're just going to click on the F plus sign. All right, so when you click on the F plus sign, you can see these are all the indicators that we're having on this MT5. Okay, so we also provide the customized indicator that you can use to detect spike, and at the same time, these are the default indicators that we have in here. Okay, so we're just gonna locate for RSI, relative strength index. So you see, so relative strength index is an indicator that will appear on the indicator window 1. All right, so we're just gonna click on it. Then you can see at default we are having the period at 14, and also the apply to is close and stuff. So we're not gonna change anything here. If you just want to check on how the settings is just gonna look like. Okay, so then after when you've done that, then at the top right you're gonna see save. Then you click on save. Then after when you've clicked on save, you can see that this appears on the indicator window 1. Okay, so now the relative strength index indicator is the indicator that's just gonna appear on your indicator window 1, so it's not gonna appear on your main chart. So from this point, you want to add another indicator to your main chart, you're just gonna click on the F above, the F plus sign above or symbol above. Now when you click on this down, let's go and add moving average to it. Okay, so we had moving average, so we're not going to change anything here, just leave it at this. Then we click on save. So you can see that under the main chart we are having the moving average, and under the indicator window 1 we are having relative strength index. So now let's go to the main chart and see exactly what we've done. So here we are on the main chart. You can see below here we have the RSI, okay, which is this, and at the same time we are having the indicator. Now let me show you with an arrow. All right, so this is the RSI that I'm talking about that we are having here. Okay, so and also when you check on the main chart here, you see we are having the moving average, all right, which appears in color red. Or see, so that's exactly how to add your indicator. All right, and mind you, if you want customized indicator, it's quite different from what you're seeing here. All right, the customized indicator is quite and very different from what you're seeing here. So the customized indicator are more sophisticated than what we are having here. Okay, so that's just it on how to add RSI and also moving average to your chart. So guys, bless up and stay by for another wonderful video.